Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has said talent surge being pursued from across the country to build able leadership. The Premier inaugurated the stipend and tuition fee distribution among insolvent and meritorious students from secondary to graduate and its equivalent level today. She opened the disbursement among the insolvent and meritorious students under the Prime Minister's Education Assistance Trust at a program held at Osmani Memorial Auditorium. The Prime Minister said the money of the stipends and tuition fees will go directly to the beneficiaries through digital system. A total of Taka 2,208 crore would be dispensed among more than 64,17,000 students from the secondary, higher secondary, graduation and equivalent level. The Premier also conferred the Bangabandhu Creative Talent Search Award 2024 on 15 students and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Scholar Award 2023 on 21 students.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।